and then you're going to go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings. The device has its own unique Wi-Fi. It's going to either be called G0 or F0 and then have a bunch of numbers. You're going to connect to that Wi-Fi network, and then you're going to open up the application LookCam. It may add the camera automatically on its own like it just did. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the little gear icon on the side. You're going to click device setting. Then you're going to click Wi-Fi setting. And then you're going to select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available Wi-Fi networks. And then you're just going to put in the password and hit OK. Once that's done, it's going to take about 1 to 5 minutes in order to reboot and connect. And then it'll be available on the Wi-Fi network so you could watch it from any remote location. You could also select SD card setting to schedule recordings, or you could set it for motion recording or loop recording as well too. You could also click on alarm config to schedule text message alerts so you get notifications when it's in motion, and you could adjust the sensitivity for the motion as well too. And then all you would do is click on the camera in order to view it.